Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to factory reset your Night Owl DVR in 2025, so let's begin. So first, before we dive into the topic, there is an important warning. So before you reset, factory reset erases all recordings, settings and users configurations. Make sure to back up your footage if needed. Now let's talk about the methods. So the first method is factory reset through the DVR menu. Connect your DVR to a monitor or TV via SGM or VGA. Use your mouse to right click and open the main menu. You can right click on anywhere on the screen, then you can find the main menu. Then go to system settings and advanced, may vary by model. Then look for default settings or factory reset. Select factory reset and confirm. The DVR will restart and reset to original factory defaults. Now here is method number 2 is using the admin account. Log in with the admin account. Navigate to the main menu just like the same. You can right click on anywhere on your screen. Then main menu, then go to the maintenance, then you can find the default option or like similar this. Then you have to simply click on that, then choose the type of reset, system only or channel parameters or all settings recommended for full reset. Now click on apply and confirm. Now method number 3 is hardware or physical button reset. Only for models that support this or that have some specific buttons to do the reset performance. Now the first step is power off your DVR. Look for a reset button or pinhole on the DVR box. Use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button on the pinhole. Then while holding it, power on the DVR, hold for 30 seconds, then release. DVR should restart and begin resetting. So if you forget the password, so you can try the default login, like the username should be admin and password should be 123456, or there will be 61. You can try 61 also, or you can leave the password section blank and hit enter. Use the Night Owl Protect app or visit the Night Owl Help Center for password reset help. So here you can see this is their help center. You can go to the support.nightowlsp.com and you can find this page where you can find password reset tools. So you can simply click on that and there will be some instructions and some apps from Night Owls that can help you to reset your password. So here you can read all the instruction and you can get to the password reset portal where you can reset your password. Then after reset, reconfigure date, time, users, cameras, networks, etc. Set a new strong password. Optionally update the firmware for latest features and security. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Till next time.